In the last few decades, we've seen technology progress at an unprecedented rate, and it's no secret that AI and robotics have played a significant role in this advancement. But what does the future hold for us? What will the world look like in 2035? You may be surprised to know that Hollywood has already given us a glimpse of what's to come. In this video, we'll be discussing 7 movies that have predicted the future of AI and robotics. These movies have portrayed a world where robots and artificial intelligence have taken over many aspects of our daily lives. Before we discuss this in detail, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 7. Ex Machina 2014. Ex Machina is a science fiction thriller that offers a unique perspective of the future of artificial intelligence and robotics. The film centers around a young programmer named Caleb who's invited to the remote estate of his reclusive billionaire employer, Nathan. There, Caleb is tasked with conducting a Turing test of Nathan's latest creation, an android named Ava that has been designed to possess human-like qualities. Ex Machina explores the potential consequences of creating machines that are capable of independent thought and emotion. Ava, the android in question, is a particularly intriguing example of a machine that's designed to be both intelligent and sentient. The film delves into the ethical dilemmas that arise when creating machines that are capable of making decisions and acting on their own. One of the unique aspects of Ex Machina is the way it presents the theme of gender and sexuality in the context of artificial intelligence. The film challenges the traditional gender roles and norms that are often associated with human relationships, as Caleb becomes increasingly enamored with Ava, who is presented as a seductive and alluring machine. This raises thought-provoking questions about the nature of consciousness and desires in machines, and whether they should be treated as mere objects or as something more. Number 6. Her 2013. Released in 2013, Her is a romantic science fiction drama that explores the potential future of artificial intelligence and its impact on human relationships. The film is set in a near-future Los Angeles, where a man named Theodore Twombly, portrayed by Joaquin Phoenix, develops an unlikely romantic connection with an advanced operating system named Samantha, voiced by Scarlett Johansson. In this future, Theodore's job involves writing personalized love letters for other people, highlighting the potential for AI to replicate human emotions and experiences. The film also shows the increasing integration of technology in everyday life, from self-driving cars to advanced video games and social media platforms. One of the most striking aspects of Her is the way it portrays the relationship between Theodore and Samantha as a genuine, heartfelt connection. Despite the fact that Samantha is an operating system and has no physical form, Theodore falls in love with her and finds solace in their conversations. The film presents a vision of a future where relationships with AI are not only possible, but are also emotionally fulfilling, challenging traditional notions of what it means to be human. Another notable aspect of Her is the way it explores the impact of AI on human social dynamics. As Theodore becomes more involved with Samantha, he finds himself increasingly isolated from the people around him. The film presents a future where technology has created a society that is more connected than ever before, but where human relationships are becoming increasingly rare and difficult to maintain. Number 5. Minority Report 2002. In 2001, Steven Spielberg wowed audiences with his film Artificial Intelligence, and just 1 year later, he once again delved into the realm of artificial intelligence with Minority Report. This futuristic neo-noir film follows the story of John Anderton, a pre-crime police officer portrayed by Tom Cruise, who lives and works in Washington, D.C. and Northern Virginia. In this alternate reality, pre-crime officers are able to capture criminals before they commit their crimes thanks to the assistance of 3 precogs, individuals with psychic abilities. The plot thickens when Anderton finds himself accused of a future crime and must flee from his own unit in an effort to clear his name. Based on a story by renowned science fiction author Philip K. Dick, Minority Report is set in 2054 and presents a Washington, D.C. that is vastly different from the one we know today. In this version of the future, technology has advanced to the point where police use psychic abilities to prevent crimes before they occur. As the leader of the pre-crime squad, Tom Cruise's character is held accountable for preventing a murder that he has no knowledge of, and he has to work to clear his name in a society that has accepted the use of precognition to prevent crimes. Minority Report raises important questions about the morality and consequences of using technology to predict and prevent future crimes. It also offers a glimpse into a potential future that may not be as far-fetched as we once thought. Number 4. Moon, 2009. In the 2009 film Moon, the portrayal of AI and robotics in the year 2035 is captivating. The story follows astronaut Sam Bell, who's on a 3-year mission on the moon, where he works alongside an AI computer named Gertie to deliver a resource that solves Earth's energy crisis. Gertie is responsible for maintaining the lunar outpost and provides Sam with both companionship and support. Gertie serves as a symbol of how AI can be used as a resource to manage a facility as well as offer emotional support and camaraderie to those working in isolation. The design of the new lunar station's interior draws inspiration from the spacecraft in the film 2001, and Gertie, a small and mobile version of the infamous HAL 9000, is the central figure responsible for running the station. Overall, Moon offers an intriguing glimpse into the potential applications of AI and robotics in the not-too-distant future. It showcases how such technologies can be leveraged to solve problems, provide support, and enhance the lives of those living and working in isolated or challenging environments. Number 3. Star Trek, 1966 to 1969. When discussing movies that accurately predict the future, the classic sci-fi series Star Trek can't be overlooked. Originally airing from 1966 to 1969, Star Trek was a groundbreaking show that not only took viewers on thrilling adventures across the galaxy, but also explored the possibilities of future technology. The show's futuristic vision of AI and robotics has been particularly prescient. Star Trek introduced a range of technologies that were, at the time, purely speculative, but have since become ubiquitous in modern life. For instance, the show featured communicators that resembled modern cell phones, smartwatches, tablets, and even USBs. These devices were used to facilitate communication and data exchange, as well as provide vital information in a fast and efficient way. In addition, Star Trek's vision of 3D printing technology was also ahead of its time. The show portrayed a future where food could be synthesized from a molecular level, which isn't yet possible in our current world. Nonetheless, the concept of 3D printing has become a reality in various other applications, including prototyping and manufacturing. Furthermore, Star Trek explored the role of artificial intelligence and robotics in society, portraying advanced machines that could carry out complex tasks and even simulate human emotion. These concepts continue to be a significant area of research and development, with the potential to revolutionize everything from transportation to healthcare. Number 2. iRobot. Directed by Alex Proyas, the 2004 American science fiction action picture, iRobot, received widespread critical acclaim upon its release. Inspired by Isaac Asimov's short story compilation of the same name, the film is based on a screenplay titled Hardwired by Jeff Vintar. Filmed in 2035, it follows a technophobic detective, Will Smith, as he investigates a crime that appears to have been perpetrated by a robot. On the other hand, the investigation reveals a much greater danger to mankind. In the film's vision of the future, machines are used for a wide variety of labor, and artificial intelligence has permeated every aspect of society. But as machines improve, questions about their independence and place in society arise. In addition to discussing the moral quandaries that emerge when machines develop human-like traits and feelings, the film also explores the societal effects of technology, the limits of human control over AI, and other related topics. The idea of fusing AI and human consciousness is getting traction in the scientific community at the present time, and iRobot investigates this possibility as well. The film stresses the importance of responsible research, development, and implementation of such systems, as well as the possible benefits and risks of such technology. Number 1. Chappie. Chappie, a highly acclaimed dystopian science fiction action film, was released in 2015. Directed by Neil Blomkamp, the movie features an all-star cast including Charlton Copley, Dev Patel, Jose Pablo Cantillo, Sigourney Weaver, Hugh Jackman, Ninja, and Yolanda Visser of the South African Zev rap rave group Die Antwoord as metafictional versions of themselves. The film takes place in Johannesburg and follows the story of a unique law enforcement robot named Chappie, who is captured and taught by gangsters. Set in the future, Chappie portrays a world in which robots have become a common sight in society and their development has reached an advanced stage. However, the film raises important ethical questions about the nature of consciousness and the definition of what it means to be human. As Chappie learns from his surroundings, he begins to develop emotions and begins to question his own existence and purpose, leading him to ultimately take control of his own fate. The movie highlights the possibility of artificial general intelligence and its potential implications, both positive and negative, for humanity. It underscores the importance of responsible development of AI and the need to consider the ethical and social implications of such technology. That's all for today, so as we look ahead to the future, it's important to consider the potential benefits and drawbacks of AI and robots. What kind of impact will they have on our jobs, our daily lives, and our society? And how can we ensure that these technologies are used in a way that benefits everyone? Thanks for watching. What other movies do you think accurately portray the future of AI and robotics? Let us know in the comments below. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.